How to ship internationally on Grailed. I'm going to show you how you can easily ship internationally on Grailed. First, select a carrier that offers affordable rates and reliability. Your local or national courier is often the best choice for cost-effective shipping. Next, get a shipping label. If you are in the US, Canada, or the UK, you can print the label from home via PayPal or have it created at the post office. To print through PayPal, go to your account, find your recent sale, and create the label. PayPal will automatically link the tracking to the transaction. For US-based sellers, Grailed also provides pre-made shipping labels for domestic shipments. When packaging, flat rate envelopes are a cheap and convenient option for smaller items, especially in the US. You can also use paperboard corrugated boxes or poly bags depending on the item. Finally, be sure to add the tracking number on Grailed to keep the buyer informed and to ensure the timely release of funds through PayPal.